Nike's Air Max legacy took a major leap in the late 2010s with the introduction of the Air Max 270 and Air Vapormax, two models that ushered in a new era of lifestyle cushioning. Their success established fresh categories and extended the appeal of Air technology into the next decade. Now, Nike appears to be tapping back into that momentum with a new silhouette, the Nike Air Max Phoenix. Debuting via official images, the Phoenix channels the DNA of the Air Max 270, highlighted by a familiar 270-degree air unit in the heel. The upper features a pinned-out gradient pattern that blends seamlessly into the rear cushioning setup. While the Air Max 270 still maintains a presence in Nike's lineup after its 2018 debut, it no longer dominates the market like it once did. The upcoming white and royal Air Max Phoenix is set to launch on July 3 for $155.